for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And memory settings are one of many features. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.